Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you dance on Roblox. So if you want to dance on Roblox, you need to have the emote. Otherwise, you cannot dance on Roblox. I'm just going to show you how. Just go to Roblox app. Now just go into a game. I'm just choosing this one. And after going to a game, click the top right, the three dot icon, and here you can see the second option, emotes. Click on it, and here you can see there are emotes. If you have dance emote, you can just swipe it like this and the character will dance like this. And if you don't have the dance emote, the character won't dance and the character will just do this or say hello. So you must need to have the dance emote in Roblox, otherwise you cannot dance in Roblox. So guys, that's how you can dance on Roblox. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.